Here's a GRE quantitative comparison question. Let's take a look. We're told that x is a positive integer divisible by 5. And then we're given two quantities. Quantity A, the remainder when x is divided by 10, or quantity B, the remainder when x is divided by 15. Now, if you're unfamiliar with quant comparison, a quick little rundown. If you believe quantity A is greater than quantity B, the answer is A. If you think B is greater than A, the answer is B. If you think the two of them are equal, then the answer is C. And if the answer cannot be determined, if you can't determine which one is greater, then that's D, right? All right, so let's try this out. And we'll use test cases to do this. If we're told that x is a positive integer divisible by 5, what are a few examples of that? Well, how about 5? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, the list goes on and on and on, right? We'll use these as our test cases. So let's try one test case. Why don't we start with 20, right? What is the remainder when 20 is divided by 10? How much is left over when 20 is divided by 10? Well, 10 goes into 20 two full times with nothing left over. If I have 20 cards and 10 people and I deal it out evenly, everyone's going to get 2 cards. There's going to be 0 remainder, 0 cards left over. But what if I use the same number, 20, and divide that by 15? Well, if I have 20 cards and 15 people and I deal them all out, I give everyone 1 card, but then there's 5 left over. I can't deal those out evenly. So the remainder when I do this is 5. And so in this particular case that we tested, quantity B is greater than quantity A. And you might say, well, that's great. That means the answer is B, but not so fast. Is it true all the time? Well, it's not. And we can actually see this by testing 30, right? When I divide 30 by 10, 10 goes into 30 3 times with 0 left over again. There's 0 remainder here. And when I divide 30 by 15, 15 goes in completely to 30 2 times with 0 left over. So I have a case where they're equal. I have one case where quantity B is greater, one case where they're equal. That means I can't determine it.